everyone. Welcome to Hungry Persian's YouTube channel. We're going to be doing a mini-series on learning languages. And, due to the current pandemic and quarantining, we thought it would be productive for me to get better at learning Spanish and Charlene to improve her knowledge on Farsi. So as you can already tell, I'm Iranian, I speak Farsi, Charlene is Mexican, and she speaks Spanish. So what we want to do is improve our knowledge of each other's languages, and we want to share the experience with you all as well in case you wanted to learn either language. Other benefits to learning, for example, Farsi, is that it's spoken by over 100 million people around the world, and it's among the top 20 most widely spoken languages as well. For Spanish, it's the second most commonly used language in the United States, and it's a primary language in over 20 countries around the world. So with this video, we want to go over introductory words and phrases that anyone would first have to learn when trying to learn either language.
Hey guys, so before we officially get started, I just wanted to let you know that we're going to be splitting the video in half. The first half will go over Spanish phrases, and then the second half will go over Farsi phrases. And another thing to keep in mind, both Sean and I are learning each other's languages, so we're going to be making mistakes. Our accents won't be perfect, but that's totally okay. And we're just excited that you've decided to join us on this journey, and we're excited to learn together. So without further ado, let's get to learning. Part 1, we're gonna go over Spanish introductions. So I'm gonna say something in English and Sean is gonna say the Spanish translation. Let's go. Phrase number 1. Hello.
Hola.
How are you?
¿Cómo estás?
Oh, real quick. In Spanish, we have both informal and formal. We're going to stick to informal language, but in each shot, we'll also include the formal translation at the bottom. Cool. My name is...
Me llamo.
What is your name?
¿Cómo te llamas?
Pleasure to meet you.
Mucho gusto.
Where is the bathroom?
¿Dónde está el baño?
I'm sorry, like when you bump into someone.
Lo siento.
When someone sneezes.
Salud.
When someone asks you what to drink, and you say, I would like water.
Yo quiero agua, por favor.
Thanks.
Gracias.
Goodbye.
Adios. Now we'll be entering part 2, going over introductory phrases in Farsi. Hello.
Salam.
How are you?
حال شما چطور هست؟
My name is...
اسم من شارلین هست.
What is your name?
اسم شما چی هست؟
Good to meet you.
از دیدنت خوشبختم.
Where is the bathroom?
دستشویی کجاست؟
I'm sorry.
ببخشید. Or you can say معذرت میخوام.
What do you say when someone sneezes?
عافیت باشه.
I want water.
من آب میخوام.
Thank you.
مرسی.
Goodbye.
خداحافظ. Hey guys, well, you made it this far, so good job. We went over 10 phrases in both Farsi and Spanish. Definitely link any additional phrases down below that you want us to go over.
Put those in the comments.
Yes, and don't forget to click, like, and subscribe.
Ring that bell for subscriptions.
Yes, and we'll see you next time. Khodafez.
Hasta pronto.
Bye.